Have you ever wanted to do amazing DIY projects on a budget? Don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to be talking about Dollar Tree DIY projects. Let's head into it. Number 1, a fancy wood-framed mirror. For this one, you're going to need 2 sets of Dollar Tree Jenga. Take them all out of the package and soak them in a bowl with hot coffee for 20 minutes. Lay them out to dry, and once they're all dry, get sets of 3, using 2 rulers to keep them straight, super glue them together. Next, you're going to need 2 rows of 4 and 2 rows of 7 of these little squares you just made. Alternating in the ways the blocks are facing, super glue them together and then place them in a rectangular shape like so. Get a mirror that fits on the back of this frame and super glue it to the back, with the mirror facing forward. You can get some wire and super glue that to the back as well so you can hang it up on your wall. Number 2, a super bougie plant pot. For this one, you're just going to need a bucket from the dollar store. First, place some caulking all over the bucket and use a paintbrush to spread it around. While it's still wet, use some sand to place all over. Then, take it outside once it's all dry and spray paint it with a beige color. Then, bring it inside and using a sponge, dab on some different colors of brown all over the pot. Once you're done, it'll look like an absolutely amazing pot for your plants. Number 3, decorative circles. For this one, you're going to need a wreath form from the Dollar Tree. You'll need to unravel it and reattach the circles like so. Then get some decorative nautical rope and unravel all of the twirls. Hot glue it to each circle, and then once you're done that, place all of the circles inside each other like so. It makes a really cool design and it's super decorative. Number 4, large and beautiful candle. First, get 2 bowls of the same size and super glue them together like so. Use a pretty white color to spray paint them. Once the spray paint is all dry, use a candle making set to place the wicks. Then get some old candles that you haven't used the rest of and put them in a pot on medium heat until they're all melted. You can pour the wax into the bowl with the candle making set and you have some beautiful new candles. Number 5, a decorative placeholder. For this one, you're going to need a bamboo cutting board as well as some wooden beads. Hot glue or super glue these beads to the 4 corners of the cutting board. Get some decorative ribbon and super glue that to the edge of the cutting board as well. Once you're done, you can use it for a placeholder for your candles or a centerpiece on your table. Number 6, another cute placeholder. For this one, you're going to need to find some wooden pieces like this with quotes on them from the Dollar Tree. Once you obtain those, sand down the quotes and super glue all of them together. You can use a staple gun as well. Then, spray paint it whatever color you'd like and get some faux leather ribbon and hammer it into the sides of the placeholder with some tacks. Once you're done that, you'll have a beautiful placeholder once again for your table. Number 7, candle holder. For this one, you're going to need to find a Tupperware plastic container at the Dollar Tree around this size. It helps if you get one with a prettier lid like so. Get the lid and trace it on some cardboard and cut the cardboard out. Place it inside the lid and use some Mod Podge and place it all over the cardboard and turn it over and place it all over the rest of the lid. Then, from the Dollar Tree, you're going to get a similar shape of decoration like so, but it can be any material. You're going to hot glue this to the bottom of the lid that you just put Mod Podge all over, and then you can take it outside and and spray paint it any color you would like. You now have an amazing candle holder. Number 8, drink holder. First, get 2 baskets of the same size and duct tape them together as best you can. Then get some poly rope as well as some decorative nautical rope and super glue them to the baskets. You can create any kind of design you'd like. We did a striped design with the 2 colors. Once you're done and everything is all dry, you'll have an amazing table for your drinks. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!